Welcome to a Giffen review and unboxing. So, if you don't already know already, now you know this going to be on Victoria's Secret. And in this particular bag, I have two of Victoria's Secret fragrances collections that's located in this bag. So, I'm going to go through each and every single one, which will basically be testing a little look at the boxing as well as the actual bottle, in addition to the scent. One thing about a scent, you always want to have something that's right for the occasion. Not every scent is meant for every occasion. Certain scents are meant for certain occasions. So for the first selection is very sexy, the C brand. So the first collection I will be starting with is the Very Sexy because you know Queen is what? Very sexy. And I'm sure the reason behind both of these two collections is representing who the queen is. But anyway, we have Very Sexy C. The box coloring is gorgeous. This gorgeous turquoise blue. I mean, you can't go wrong. You unbox it and you unbox into this lovely gold tint. And voila, inside you have, whoop, let's just go ahead and pop it on out. You have this gorgeous turquoise bottle. I mean, it's really cute. That bottle color reminds me a lot of Ralph Lauren back in the day, a fragrance they would have. But anywho, this is the Very C. Very nice when it comes to the particular size. Very cute with a tassel here. And it gives us some, I would say, elegant sophistication to it. Just the same as the box. So, spray. Now, this scent right here is something that I definitely would suggest wearing more like in the evening time pant. But it do also exemplify, midday as well. Really lovely. Enjoy it. Oh, and this size is about what, a 1.7 ounce. Voila. The next one is, okay, of the Very Sexy collection, Orchids. This orchid is in a purple color box, also with the gold trim. Ooh, I guess I need to do it like this. They really have these perfumes nicely secure in their box. Trust me. So as you see with this, it is a purplish, just like the tint of the box. Very cute. Very stylish as well. Let's try the scent. This one, oh my gosh. This one is exactly as orchids. I love orchids. Peony, orchids, vanilla. Oh goodness. This right here is something that you would want to put on nicely, I would say, on a romantic date. Oh my God. This or anywhere on your body after. I don't know. That's just something that's good. That is really good. Really good. I like that one. So you can also see. Whoop, the next one, Very Sexy, Oasis. This one's in a white box. The bottle itself is also white to match it. Oop. Okay, make sure everything is snapped right. Alrighty. So, this is it, Oasis. Let's try it out. This is soft. This scent right here, I would suggest this more like a morning day. Something is very soft, something that you would probably enjoy, having that nice soft scent. If you like in, You're not necessarily trying to be too noticed by your scent, but you want a nice soft scent. Something great I would suggest for women that, if you're sitting in areas such as like church or, you know, in auditorium area, very nice scent, very nice scent. The Oasis, yes, yes, yes. And like I said, these are part of the Very Sexy collection. Okay. The next one I have up is Very Sexy, and it's called Night. Oh my gosh. This box right here has a very different texture from the other one. Each box do have a different texture, I will say. One is a little bit mod, some of them has a little bit I would say texture in terms of shiny. This one kind of gives you this alligator type print, okay? So of course with it, the bottle itself is exactly black. Look at that. The box is black. It is black. Okay. Once again, these are 1.7 um, sizes. Okay. Very sexy night. I can already tell you this got to be in nighttime. So we're going to smell. Let me check. Would I wear this at night? Let's see. Yeah. I would wear this at night. It's not strong. Now, I will say that this first one is very, very, the C is a stronger scent than what you will assume the Very Sexy Night to be. The Very Sexy Night it gives you that nice fragrance in terms of, you know, intensity, but it's not strong. It's also too very, very, very light. So this is the night. And these, madam, are the first collection, which are the Very Sexy collection of Victoria's Secret. Hi. So now let's move on to the second gift unboxing and testing. Oh my gosh. So the first one out with favorite collection you think is gonna be up. What you think is gonna be up? It is what Queen is also a bombshell. So this is Victoria's Secret collection of the Bombshell. And this is the Intense. And their box is a lot different than the Very Sexy. So you will definitely know that you are getting a different box. We'll definitely let you know you're getting a different collection. And this is, oh my, look at that. So if any of you familiar with the Bombshell, you would know that they definitely have this gorgeous appearance when it comes to their bottles. I mean, it just definitely give you that whole elegance look of what you want your, also your perfume to look like. So that right there, my peoples, is the Bombshell Intense. I can only imagine. Let's see. It says it's intense, but it's not really too intense. It's really soft to me. And you see, I done sprayed it 3 times just to get the fragrance. It's a nice fragrance, of course, but it's not intense, but nice. But that is the Bombshell collection of Victoria's Secret Intense. Very cute red bottle, I will say. Sure. The next one is Seduction. Seduction. So with this one, the box in itself looks a lot of like a rose goldish type tint, pinkish type tint. And the bottle, drum roll, voila. Bottle is gorgeous. And I forgot to mention that these are 3.4 ounces. Okay. And that is Seduction. So let's try out Seduction real quick. Seduction is nice. Seduction is something I would definitely see wearing during the day. I mean, I wouldn't want to be seducing people, but it's a very nice scent to have on during the day to be out, Very lovely scent. Very nice, sexy scent for that. Nice. A bombshell. Kid you not. The next one that I have is actually the signature bombshell. Victoria's Secret bombshell. Of course, you have the bombshell collection, and then you also have each individual fragrances of it. Well, this one is the signature bombshell collection fragrance. And voila, that is the bottle. This bottle looks a lot like, I would say, the Intense bottle, but they are different. This one is more pink. This one is more like a pinkish rosish color. This is pink pink, okay? Let's try this one out. This one is definitely floral. I like it. Not to say that you cannot wear it at night, but you can also wear this one during the day as well. Definitely like this one too. And that one, my loves, is the bombshell in version of Victoria's Secret. So once again, you have the bombshell collection, which have individual intense and seduction, but then you also have the signature bombshell, which is this one. And the bottle, once again, is more of a pinkish tint color. So now we're almost down to my last one. I was enjoying unboxing these gifts, don't I? Let's see what I got. Oh, Bombshell Passion. Now, I don't know about you, but not too much stuff that's passion is bad. You got your passion fruit, and that tastes good. But this one is the Bombshell Passion. And let's see what it's about. Ooh, look at the box and look at the bottle. So I really love how Victoria's Secret took the time to definitely be matching their boxes and bottles together, which is very, very consistent. And me, I'm a Mitchy Matchy person. But the bottle itself is also very cute too, you know, with the tassels and everything. Each one of them have. It gives you that very, I would say that distinct, sophisticated, in addition to lady or gentleman, I'm sorry. But it definitely gives a feminine look to it, and I like it. I really do. Um, this box here is more like a purplish maroonish color, and the bottle itself also reflects the same. Okay, and this is the passion, which would make sense as far as the coloring of the bottle and the box, because passion, when you think of that, passion fruit, stuff like that, it's usually like a reddish color, purplish color, whatnot. Anyway, let me be quiet on that. Let me test this out. Last one. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This is a scent that is so floral. Oh my gosh. It must be Pinoni. Oh, this is nice. I could wear this. I mean, you can wear this really all day long. This is like something I could see myself wearing during the day. But definitely, I will prefer to wear this one more like a weekend during the day. Whereas this here will be like during the week, during the day. And it's just my preference. But yeah, this too smells really, really good. So here I have two collections of Victoria's Secret fragrances. I have the very sexy collection, which comes with the sea, the orchid, the night, and the oasis. I also have the very, very sweet scented collection of the bombshells, which are in the intense, in the seduction, in the bombshell, and the passion. I have to make sure I read them because there's so many fragrances. And I know some of you are sitting there like, well, wait a minute, what's this back here? What's this back here that she's got? Well, this right here, my love, is actually another fragrance, okay? This right here is one of Victoria's Secret's fragrance that is part of the bombshell, but it's the magic. Okay. Now, what I would say is that this particular scent is a combination of Pinoni, uh, vanilla, And what else? Elixir. I mean, come on now, you can't go wrong with that. Okay. So I pretty much would not want to open this. Why? Because I want to give this away. I want to give this fragrance away to the first person that can actually send me a DM on one of my many sites of my birthday. And you're probably like, well, Queen, how are we supposed to know when your birthday is? Well, I'm going to tell you how you're supposed to know when my birthday is. Well, my birthday is actually available in a lot of my videos that I have done. So if you cannot DM me the correct date of when my birthday, you and I get this free gift. Okay? And this particular free gift is just not any old free gift. It is valued at $59.95, and that's not tax included. Okay? In addition to this here is actually valued at, hold on, I gotta get my notes right now, $59.95. So this particular bottle level, which is the 1.7, is $59.95. And this size bottles, which is 3.4, are $79.95 a bottle. Okay? So I definitely enjoy having an opportunity to do a unboxing of my fragrances that I've been gifted with Victoria's Secret. Both are of collections that definitely represent, Queen as, I'm viewed by the handsome, but we won't go there right now. But anywho, definitely enjoy having Bombshell and Very Sexy of the two Victoria's Secret collections to sit here and test, unbox, unreveal, show that these fragrances are also like very well packaged. I mean, the packaging phenomenal, but just the actual bottles themselves, I mean, they definitely, display elegancy, sophistication. I mean, it makes you want to like collect them and have them for use just because they just look so gorgeous. So thank you so much for these gifts. I really, really do appreciate it, my loves. And come back again. Why? Because Queen will be showcasing more videos. You can catch me on Instagram, Diamond2Queen. You can catch me on TikTok, where most of my ongoing, skits are available, recreated. And that's Diamond2Queen. You can find me on Twitter. That's Diamond2Queen. But right now, you're checking me live from the Diamond Images '03 YouTube channel. And I can't say anything else other than check me out again. And it was my birthday, and now I am happy.